Arrival was kind of the icing on the cake. We'd had pretty much everything we wanted, and we got the bonus of actually getting a TV on board as well. It flew incredibly stable. We were real impressed with it. It was much easier than anything Yuri and I had simmed, and it was a lot of fun to open up that volume on the back end of the service module.
One of the main goals, of course, of our mission was to install the Japanese lab. And here you see Aki is gently pulling it out of the payload bay. And then we started a very, very slow maneuver of this gigantic module. It's the biggest that's on the station so far at over 32,000 pounds. The maneuver, obviously, with such a big mass, had to go quite slow. It was about an hour of maneuver, but it was some great views while we did that. And, of course, as we attached it onto the space station, it was a great day for the people in Japan. Another thing we needed to do with the robotic arm was move the logistics module. This is another piece that STS-123 brought up, and they had it temp stowed. So we slowly guided it over to its final resting position on top of the Japanese laboratory.
After we got the Japanese module installed, we opened the hatch. And here's us putting a sign. It's a Japanese curtain. It just said, "Eat more chicken." And then after Karen and I checked out the air inside, everyone came inside, and especially Garrett enjoyed the moment, showing off all his skills that he learned through his expedition. After having some time of fun, we had to get back to work. We transferred 8 racks. These racks are like 500 pounds each. And this is a sign where the technicians on the ground put at the hatch for us. And we saw the Japanese module grow each day. It was empty, and then it was full of racks. And in the stowage module, it's empty now. And also in the Japanese module, we had 2 windows, which we looked outside every time that we had.
NASA's LRO L-Cross spacecraft